The Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite AX is an impressive motherboard that offers a premium experience for enthusiasts and gamers alike. With a sleek and stylish design, this motherboard is a great addition to any build, providing a visually appealing centerpiece. One of its standout features is the inclusion of 4 M.2 sockets, each equipped with an Easy Latch Plus mechanism, ensuring easy and secure installation of your high-speed storage drives. This is a significant advantage, especially for those looking to maximize their system's performance with multiple M.2 SSDs. The rear I/O panel is well equipped, offering a generous selection of USB ports, including USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C and Type-A connections, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of peripherals and devices. Additionally, the motherboard's audio capabilities are enhanced with a high-quality ALC 1220 VB codec, providing clear and immersive sound for an enhanced gaming or entertainment experience. However, it's important to note that this motherboard lacks a PCI Express 5.0 M.2 socket, which may be a deal breaker for those seeking the absolute latest in storage technology. Despite this omission, the Z790 Aorus Elite AX still offers impressive performance and features, making it a solid choice for those seeking a reliable and feature-rich motherboard. In terms of overclocking potential, this motherboard performs admirably, providing stable and reliable overclocking capabilities for both the CPU and memory. The robust power delivery system, featuring an 18+1+1 phase design, ensures efficient power distribution, allowing for stable operation even under heavy loads. Overall, the Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite AX is an excellent choice for those seeking a high-performance motherboard with a premium aesthetic. Its feature set, including the M.2 sockets and USB connectivity, makes it a versatile and future-proof option. While the lack of PCI Express 5.0 support may be a consideration for some, the overall performance and quality of this motherboard make it a strong contender in its class.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.